This video is part 1, where we are going to do wild garlic pesto. Grüezi and hello YouTube family. My name is Karima and welcome back to Keto Mountain from beautiful Switzerland. It is wild garlic season. You can make so many different and yummy things with it. So let's go and get our wild garlic.
Here, where we live, we have a small stream where we got our wild garlic nearby. Please check the link down below where it shows you which kind you should pick and which not. But if you want to be sure, go get it from the store. We are now back home, where we carefully have to sort out the picked leaves. We need to wash and dry them very well. Let's start measuring how much we need. I am taking 300 grams of wild garlic. $70 grams of pine nuts. Walnuts will work as well. 350 milliliters of olive oil. Set your burner on medium-low. Use your frying pan and toast your pine nuts for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. Here I am using my mixer to grind 100 grams of Grana Padano pieces because I don't have the ground one. I found Grana Padano works well with our wild garlic pesto, but feel free to use your Parmesan. Add the nuts and your olive oil to your blender and slowly your wild garlic and mix. If you have a big food processor, it will work even better. After I finish all the wild garlic leaves, I am adding here 2 tablespoons of Himalayan salt. Mix everything again and taste it. I am adding a 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Now it's tasting even better. Good stuff. Nice and spicy. Love it. I make 4 bags. Each bag has 200 grams pesto and I will freeze them. Et voila! Our pesto is done. I will put the recipe down below in info box, both in English and German language. So stay tuned for part 2, where you will discover what else we can do with wild garlic. Guten Appetit!